those? Harvey, I'll ask you to stand with your counsel and receive the verdict. Mr. Gregg, as to count one in this case for the offense of first-degree murder by premeditation, I will ask you, did the jury find the defendant guilty or not guilty of the offense as indicted?
The jury found her guilty, Your Honor.
Of first-degree murder with premeditation?
Yes, ma'am.
And did the jury set a fine?
$50,000.
Thank you, sir. I will ask, so say you all. Ms. Dawson, not yes. All right. The jury for the offense of first-degree murder during the commission of a felony, how did the jury find the defendant?
We found her guilty, Your Honor.
And did the jury set a fine?
$50,000.
Thank you. So say you all.
Yes, Your Honor.
Four-person of the jury for especially aggravated burglary. How did the jury find the defendant?
We found her guilty, Your Honor.
And did the jury set a fine?
$25,000.
You may be seated.
Thank you.
Oh, so say you all. This is count three. You may be seated this morning. Just a moment, we'll set the sentencing hearing and some dates for that. Let me just express my personal gratitude for the 6 long days of work that all of you and the alternates that were excused have put into this case. I think both Mr. Sproul and General Brooks in their closing said this is not an easy case, and that is absolutely correct. 160 exhibit case, give or take 1 or 2, is never an easy case to talk about, think about, listen to, and reach a conclusion on. Your hard work and your attention, this has been a very attentive jury. I've watched you, and I am very respectful of how much respect you gave to the evidence that was presented as the attorneys worked very hard on both sides for this case. The court staff and the clerk's office, Ms. Downs, her staff, I hope you find you were treated well by them. They are excellent in how they treat our jurors and appreciate your work as citizens. I sincerely hope that all of you found the experience, albeit difficult, a rewarding one. I hope you see the importance of serving on a jury and why it is so critical that we do take the time to serve in this capacity. It was well presented, and you just don't sometimes see it. I hope you appreciate the work that went into it. It's like, I guess, the Super Bowl, where sometimes those catches look easy, but what was done here today takes a lot of experience, training, and preparation. So, let me thank you yet again, and I'm going to excuse you for jury service through the rest of the month. That doesn't sound like a lot, but keep in mind that we have another 2-week murder trial starting Tuesday, a week from tomorrow. So I will excuse you from that trial. I think you worked hard enough, and this is an emotionally taxing type of case. The next time that you will call back will be March the 4th. That will be for a trial with Judge Street on, is that right, March 5th? March 6th and 7th, I think March 5 is an election day, so first Tuesday. Let me just double check. 6 and 7. That's right, 6 and 7. Yeah, you will call in after 5 o'clock on the 4th to know if you come in on the 6th and or 7th. That will be with Judge Street. Should be in this courtroom as well. Okay? So I will excuse you for the rest of the trials for this month. May not sound like a lot, but it really truly is. Okay? the trials we have the rest of this month are quite serious and will be lengthy as this one was. So I thank you all for your jury service. I hope that you, again, were rewarded by the experience. And if you have any problems, need any excuses, have anything that you need to check with the clerk's office, Ms. Downs and her able staff will assist you with that as well. You can leave your jury badges or the exhibits all back in the jury room, and the jury instructions are all back in the jury room. Okay, nobody took any exhibits. We've got to have all those in the record. All right. Your notes you can leave back there. They will be shredded. No one will look at those. They will be shredded. You do not have to discuss your verdict with anyone. Okay? Lawyers will sometimes call you. I've done it as an attorney in trying jury trials. I've called jurors up and said, hey, I'd like to know what I did right or what I did wrong or what you found important. Lawyers may do that. Again, you've got very experienced lawyers.